guys, this is Mrs. Hall. Today I was going to show you how to make a peanut butter pie. It's very simple, only a few ingredients, and it can double as a dip if you don't have the graham crackers to make the pie or just don't want to make the pie crust. So I have milk. There's 1 3/4 cup milk. A cheap package is fine, or if you'd rather get a name brand pudding mix. You need a 1/2 cup of peanut butter and a tub of Cool Whip. If you don't have the Cool Whip, I mean, you can get by without it, but it makes the pie taste really creamy and makes a lot better. So if you have a pie crust or want to make a pie crust is really easy to make. You take one of those square packages, the plastic packages of graham crackers, and you smash them up with your hands, roll them with a rolling pin, and it will get really fine broken up crumbs. You add 5 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix it all up and press it into a plate or dish. And then you have a pie crust. In order to make the dip / pie filling, pour in the 1 3/4 cup of milk. Add your pudding mix. Just whisk until it is thoroughly stirred. Put that aside and it will start to set up. I'm going to give you a little science lesson today about how to measure things like peanut butter that's really sticky. If you take a cup of water, and you can measure it in one of these, and we are going to do water displacement. So I have a cup of water inside of this, and I'm going to read the peanut butter until it measures 1 1/2 cup. And how I do that is I'm going to put the peanut butter in. I'm going to get down to eye level. I'm going to take a look. And I'm going to displace that water with the peanut butter. So we already had 1 cup of water. We need a 1/2 cup of peanut butter. 1 cup plus 1/2 cup is 1 1/2 cups. Okay, I've got 1 1/2 cup now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be really careful. I'm going to strain all of that water back into the other cup. All gone. And I'm just going to add my peanut butter. Now the water on the outside of the peanut butter also helps it keep from sticking in your cup so bad. It's a pretty clean cup, right? Otherwise, if you did just measure the peanut butter in, say, one of these small cups, you would have to pack it all in there, and then you'd have to scrape it out, and it leaves an awful filmy mess. Okay, so it's a much neater process. So now I have my peanut butter in there, and I'm just going to whisk it together. You can stir it with a fork too. Okay, stir it up the best that you can. Now it's important to make sure that you don't pour the water when we take the water out of the peanut butter mixture there. When we're measuring our peanut butter, we want to make sure that we don't get that water in here, because then the pudding won't set up right. And make sure it's as dry as possible. The nice thing about the peanut butter is it is oily, and oil repels water, so it actually comes out pretty dry. Okay, we need approximately a cup of Cool Whip. Okay, and I don't measure this. I usually make 2 nice big dollops of Cool Whip in there. That's what I do. Maybe a little more. If you get a little too much Cool Whip in there, it's not going to hurt anything. It's delicious. Okay, and then I am going to mix this up. Get it really, really mixed up. And then after you get it mixed up, it needs to go in the fridge for about an hour to 2 hours. 2 hours is best. It will set up nice and firm, and you can actually use this as a type of a fruit dip. It works really well with apples, even with bananas, if you like to dip bananas. And then you can use it as dip for graham crackers, or you can make the pie crust. I did a pie crust, and I am just going to go ahead. I'm going to put it right in my pie crust, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. And then I'm going to top with about a cup of more of whipped cream. And these are really nice looking pies. And this peanut butter pie is just delicious. So nice, something that you can mix up. You don't have to cook, especially since we're getting some warmer days. So that'll be nice for you guys to have a recipe like that. You guys, make your own cookbook. Start your own electronic cookbook. Save these in a file. Find some really nice YouTube videos. There are a lot out there that are 3 to 4 ingredient recipes that are really easy. Some of them are no cook recipes. I hope that you guys like this. See you next time.